What do she got on? She Ratchet. Got a new piercing. Got a new tap. Paid $35 for this track. Oh. Time out. I know it. It goes, OMG, what do she got on? She Ratchet. That lace front is all wrong, cause she Ratchet. Give me the phone. Oh, shit, my phone's all the way over there. But we're gonna pretend this is the phone. Give me the phone. Click, I got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. Cause she Ratchet. I don't got time. I'm too grown. But bad, not with them shoes on. Ooh, she just want. I just want to punch in her face. Something like that. Yeah. Well, let's move on. Got a new piercing. Brand new tap. Paid $95 for this plus tax. But I think, oh, what you slap that dog? Say, now let me stop making that video. But yeah, hey everybody, this is Kapria. Follow me on Twitter, baby sale Twitter. Oh no, that's not my Twitter. My Twitter is blame it on _ capitalized to him. That's it. And my Facebook, no use Facebook, so you don't need to know. But yeah.